The 2025 Land Rover Defender is taking luxury and performance to new levels. With the range of updates and the introduction of the potent D350 engine, it's set to elevate your adventure experience with enhanced comfort and power. Packed with comfort-enhancing features, it promises a more luxurious journey across any terrain. Introducing the Sedona edition of the Defender 110. This special edition boasts a stunning new color that adds a pop to the 110 body design, featuring an exclusive exterior finish complemented. The Defender is now equipped to conquer a wider range of challenges, both on and off the road. Check out the updated engine choice for the Defender. Now globally available, the powerful D350 engine replaces the previous D300, bringing a significant boost in performance with 50 PS more powerful and an additional 50 Nm of torque. The Defender promises a more engaging driving experience. From overtaking to towing, enjoy greater flexibility and quicker responses, making every maneuver more effortless than before. The Defender 110 Sedona edition boasts a striking Sedona red body enhanced by an extended black pack. This pack introduces Narvik black accents on the Defender script, front grille and skid plates, alongside 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels and a body-colored spare wheel cover, a unique combination exclusive to this edition. Initially introduced on the Defender 130, the Sedona red color makes its debut on the Defender 110 Sedona edition, available for a limited one-year period only. Exclusive to the Sedona edition, an optional bonnet decal showcases the topography of Sedona, highlighting the Defender's unmatched capability to venture anywhere and cater to its adventurous clientele. Additionally, the exterior enhancements include an optional Sedona red exterior side-mounted gear carrier, perfect for transporting wet or muddy gear or clothing. Inside, the comfort and convenience pack offers configurable cabin lighting, Meridian sound system, a front center console refrigerator compartment, and a soft closed tail door. The premium upgrade interior pack includes a leather steering wheel, extended leather upgrade, leather gear shift, 14-way heated and cooled electric memory front seats, and an electrically adjustable steering column. The signature interior pack is now optional in the dynamic HSC and standard in the Defender X, V8 and Sedona edition. It features climate seats for both rows with redesigned headrests. Front seats offer 14-way electric adjustments with memory functions, and in the Defender 130, the third row now includes heating. In the Defender's cabin, premium materials like Windsor leather and Quadrat upholstery blend with ultra fabrics and sweat cloth headlining, accentuated by darker interior tones. New console pockets offer convenient storage for both driver and passengers. In the Defender 130, the signature interior pack can be combined with the Captain Chairs pack, converting it into 7-seater. The second row seats feature heating and cooling for added comfort during long drives, with an aisle for easier access to the third row. The enhanced Land Rover Defender is now open for orders, starting at £60,470 for the 110 model and £81,585 for the extended 130 model. While this reflects a slight increase in price compared to before, it remains slightly more affordable than a Mercedes G-Class, which starts at over £70,000 more.